Man, I want that man. I just maybe last week. Maybe I can PTC. The point can fit our duplex. Duplex, mother can just not up to 6 months. Upon a episode. Ndi Igbo, let's go. Kaina no not the way enough. Enough is enough. It's obvious that these people don't want us. It doesn't want us at all. One Nigeria, Boka no. One Nigeria, Boka no. They are no Kailano. Yano Kailano, guys, we have to buy or here near Buna buy, you should be in it. I don't know about that. Name is Didn't have been. Mr. Koya boy, I could be you. Just imagine, that was Sunday. Yeah. Today is Sunday. Then, what is date? Today's date? 19th of the what? Yes, 19th of November 2023. It's happening live at Abula the first time. Abula the phase 2. Yeah, this is my estate. I live here. I have property here. It's okay, no problem. I only learn at an oboda, land oboda, and so bad home. But let's go, Ndi Igbo Kainano. Let's go, Kainano.
Welcome to a country where minimum wage is 30,000 naira.
One bag of rice is 50,000 naira.
One loaf of bread is 1,500 naira. For 30 good days, it's 45,000 naira.
A country where data monthly subscription finishes in 3 hours. A country where you run your business with a generator and at the end of the month, you still pay NEPA bill without electricity. A country where you know the winner before the election.
Sure.
An oil producing country where they sell 700 naira to their citizens, but the country where they buy from them, they sell 600 to their own citizens.
God
A
country where $1 is above our highest currency.
Aye. A country where our highest currency cannot buy a loaf of bread for 1,500 naira.
Yeah. A country where no get electricity, but supply to other countries or annual.
A country where they say bail is free, but you pay 50,000 naira for bailout.
You say?
A country where gunshot is now ringing tune in the ears of the citizens.
A country where church is business. Amen.
Amen.